Shalom, everybody. I'm Lady Sarah, Officer Eli.
And I'm Sis Edna.
And today we are back again with the tutorial to City of Gods by Yana Sarah. This time we actually have a brother's version, so they can jump in and everyone can dance together. To demonstrate that, we actually have
Micaiah, Israel,
with us today. You guys ready to get started?
Yes.
All right, let's go. So the first step is just a two-step, guys. It's 4 counts. It looks just like this, real easy. You start with the right foot, right, left, right, left. All right. The next step, you actually go all the way around, actually turning to the left. It looks just like this. Back to the front. And for the brothers, all together, that would look like this. Left foot. And turn, 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 back to the front. All right, the next step is exactly the same as the first step. You're gonna start this time with the left foot, and that's left, right, left, right. Instead of turning to the left, this time you're gonna actually turn over to the right, and it looks just like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and for the brothers, that will look something like this. Left, right, and turn. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So the very next step is super easy. It's kind of like an old school groove, but it actually, if you step, it actually looks like this. And the breakdown of that is you step over to the right, back, left, together, left, back, right, together, back, left, right, together. All right, real easy. So if the brother's version looks just like this, right? Right, all right. So the very next step, you're gonna actually step to the front with your right foot, then left, then right, then left. And that's just a 4 count. And for the men, that will look like this. Hey. All right. And the next step from there is just I think this is from the 80s too, right? But you're gonna go starting over to the left. It's left, right, left, right. And for the men, that will look like this. Left and right. All right, and we're almost done. The next step is my favorite part, but it's just a crisscross and slide, and you're gonna actually kick with your right foot first. All right, now it looks just like this. Crisscross, slide, and right, left, left. You're gonna do the exact same thing over to the left, except for this time, you're gonna start the kick with your left foot. All right, it looks like this. Crisscross and slide, and kick, right, left, right. All right, guys, that was the end. For the brothers, that crisscross and slide would look just like this. Crisscross and slide, and kick, 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 kick. Crisscross and slide, and kick, 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 kick. All right, super easy. We're gonna put that all together without the music, and then we are gonna put it all together. Don't forget, you can pause, stop, rewind to learn the moves. Y'all ready? Start from the very first step with the right. 1, 2, 3, go. Right, left, right, left, and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and left foot. Right foot, left foot, right foot, and step, 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 step. 5, 6, 7, groove to the right. Left, right, left, and kick, and right. Left, right, left, and groove. 2, 3, 4, 5, and crisscross and slide, and right, left, crisscross and slide, and left, right, All right, guys, time to put it all together. If we can have the music, please.
I wanna see the city of God and all its angles. The angels that stand at the gate so you can't break through. And this is ours for the take two. All we gotta do is seek his face and put our faith in Jesus Christo. Listo, we so ready for the take two. Make them swallow their pride, tell them this ain't true. And as we rise with a lake view, they'll never tear us down from the place we escaped to.
With you is where I wanna be. Celebrating with you on this high holy day. All night dancing. And I just wanna see the city of God. And now is the time that we celebrate. Can't wait to congregate. Beautiful Zion, let's dance and praise. Can't wait. And I just wanna see the city of God. I'm so happy that you called me. I hope to be a chosen one. The champions, I hope they save me.